Hey everyone, I'm Andrea with McCown Contracting, and this is my brother Ben, and we're here to give you some more cooking fun advice. It's going to be super good. Today we are making my famous slow cooked pot roast. It's so good. I've been making this for a really long time. And again, we've got the slow cooker out, which means you can do all kinds of stuff throughout your day, and you can have this thing cooking all day. It's gonna take roughly, depending on the size of your meat, about 6 to 8 hours.
What? 6 to 8 hours?
Si-
I'm already hungry. I can't wait that long.
It's okay. It's gonna go by in a snap. Okay, so here we go. Ben, you're gonna be the whisker, all right? All right, so in here we've got a chuck roast. This one's maybe about 4 to 5 pound chuck roast that's in our crock box. So go ahead and put the meat in here, okay? We're gonna add some baby carrots, easy peasy, right there from the grocery store. All right, Ben's gonna whisk in. We've got a container of beef broth. So we're gonna put all this in here. Watch the beard.
Yeah,
There we
don't get
go.
that in my beard.
Okay, so then we've got a package of that onion soup mix. You can buy like in the soup section, you buy that dry onion soup mix. Put it back in there. Whisk, 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 whisk. Perfect. Okay, then we're gonna add some oregano. A little dried oregano right there. About 2 tablespoons of sugar. Trust me, it's gonna be good.
Sugar?
Sugar, it's in there. Trust me.
Oh.
Okay, now we've got some black pepper, a little bit of black pepper, and some minced garlic. We've got this jar here. It just saves time from chopping up all the garlic. It would have been kind of fancy looking, but we're just gonna throw it in here from the jar.
How many
It
is
works
that?
then.
About like 3 spoonfuls?
About 3 spoonfuls of garlic.
Okay.
You really can't go wrong with it because it's gonna be so good. Okay, so Ben's whisking away. We're gonna pour that over this pot roast. So,
that good
pot
roast?
roast, it kind of makes me think of like June Cleaver. Like, she's the mom in the TV show Leave It to Beaver that premiered in the 50s. She was fantastic. I love June Cleaver. She was so resourceful. She got so much done. She made all this wonderful food for her family. It was fantastic. I love it. And I feel like the pot roast like incorporates like who she was.
Yeah,
It was great.
absolutely.
I'm super excited.
There you go.
Yeah. All right. Now, let me show you right here. We're just pouring all that goodness in there. Woo-hoo. We're gonna put the lid on it, and we're gonna turn it on high, and we're coming back in about 6 to 8 hours to figure this thing out. I have an idea, Ben.
What?
Whoa! Much better. Now we're talking. Yes.
What am I wearing?
It's from the 50s. We're in the 50s. June Cleaver would be so happy. Okay, so it's been 8 hours. I told you it would go by really fast. 8 hours since we've put our pot roast in. It's been slow cooking. So excited. So we've got all this ready. We're gonna open this up for you. Oh my gosh, it looks so delicious. We've put some mashed potatoes out here on these plates because it's pot roast. It's gonna be so good with mashed potatoes. Serve it however you like. Then we're gonna get you some food. Oh my goodness. Yes. It's hot. It's delicious. It's got those carrots in it and this juice and everything. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Okay, Ben, that one's gonna be yours. And I'm gonna put some on here for me. And guys, this has been cooking. So much has happened. So let me tell you this. June Cleaver, she could do it all. She was so productive with her day. Productive is the word. June Cleaver is productive with her day. And Ben,
Yeah.
I have been channeling my June Cleaver all day. And I want to tell you some things that I've done today. Would you like to know what I've done?
Besides travel back in time?
I've also made this bun cake. Yes.
Wow.
Here you go, Ben.
That looks
And
delicious.
I made this flower arrangement for Our New Neighbors, season 1, episode 5.
Oh.
And it is a portrait of myself. All in a day. Thank you, June Cleaver. It's fantastic. Ben, are you ready to eat this pot roast?
Yes, no, I am.
Okay, cheers, forks.
Oh, yes.
Thank you guys so much. Make this pot roast today. I mean, maybe if you can't make the bug cake and everything else, totally understand. Make the pot roast super easy and delicious.
Nice.
See you guys next time.
Tender.
Oh, yes.
Mm.
Delicious.
Mm. Oh, yeah. That's delicious.
Mm-hmm.